My dear student, competitive chemistry welcomes you. FeCN64 minus hexacyanoferrate 2. What is the configuration? What is the magnetic tendency? Is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? How many unpaired electrons are there? Pairing takes place or not? Let us go for detailed discussion. Iron atomic number 26, we can write argon 3d6 for us to argon 18. 18 plus 220 plus 626. Okay. Fe atomic number 26, we can write like this. Argon 3d6 for us. Fe plus 2 means remove 2 electrons. Remove 2 electrons from s orbital. So argon 3d6. Okay. Cyanide is a strong field ligand. Cyanide is a strong field ligand. Causes pairing of electron. You see, 3d6. Actually, here, one electron. But D has half filled. Again, one electron must be there. But because cyanide is a strong field ligand, here pairing takes place. Here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons. Because of pairing, only 3 d orbitals will accommodate 2, 2, 2. 6 electrons over. Remaining what happened? We have 6 ligands are there. Each ligand will contribute 2 electrons. You say 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. So 6 ligands. Among 6 ligands, each ligand will contribute 2 electrons. So D2sp3 hybridization takes place. Okay. Here inner orbital D2sp3 hybridization takes place. Inner orbital D2sp3 hybridization, octahedral shape, low spin complex. No unpaired electrons are there, diamagnetic nature. Please note it. Thank you. Like it, share it.